got 21 days left of riding. I counted all the days where I feel that it's the weather is good enough to ride, and 21 days. My goodness, so sad. There's the biker boy there. Look like he picked up his girl from the hospital. She's wearing scrubs. Awesome. Doing the cleaning on the chain on the tire. I like to work, and when I got to work, the stuff on the tire was just disgusting. It was all over the place. Horrible. So horrible that it really made me paranoid when it came to riding, because I thought I was gonna fall. So I cleaned the bike, I looped the chain, and went to work. And when I got to work, I saw nothing but oil on the left side of my tire. It was horrible. And I had to come back from work, right? So my ride back from work was exactly how often you're supposed to do an oil change on your bike. If you guys can let me know down in the comments, how often do you do an oil change on your motorcycle? They say a clean chain is a happy chain. Guys, it's so beautiful now. I can't even something super weird on these Jigsters, man. They don't even come with a gauge that tell you how much gas you've used. I just saw some people on bikes. I'm gonna try to catch up to them. But yeah, you don't even know how much gas you've used. It's tracks. Oh, they fixed it. Worked on it. Usually it used to be way more bumpier than this. Get in a tunnel, you have to rev it. You gotta rev it. Look, I didn't want to take my hands out of it. I saw that guy pushing his brakes. I'm telling you, man, every time you run into another biker, you're trying to say hi, man, waving that hand is deadly. You know, but you gotta love it, man. Everyone says what's up. That's amazing. So look at the leaves. I mean, guys, look at the leaves. It's very nice. The colors. Changing. Oh, tire pressure. Let me tell you about tire pressure. So yes, I think I was trying to say something about that earlier. I got the bike 6 months ago and I had checked the tire pressure on it once. How bad that is that when I check the tire pressure, so the front on a Suzuki GSX-R 2022 600, the front should be at 36, the rear should be at 42. When I checked my tires, I was at like 31, 32 in the front and 35, 36 in the back. My GoPro is about to go down and I don't have extra batteries. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Number one, I really want to say thank you to everyone who tune in and watch my videos. And you guys are all a part of my journey in learning how to ride a 600 Super Sport motorcycle. And what is the one thing that you see all day, every day around this time of the year is construction. Gears on the back windshield. The sticker, nice. How do you get something like that to still like operate these days? This shit don't even look right. Like this, it looks like a vehicle that came from a different world, you know? So look at the size of that door. Oh. And here's the traffic. It wouldn't be too long. And again, I'm gonna not even get the stop, right? Yeah. Thank you. My flasher on this whole entire time. That's what the guy was doing. He's telling me your flasher's on. Can you believe that? I forget the flasher all the time. But I guess that's a good thing because I am paying attention to what's ahead of me and not looking at my dash or whatnot. I'll give him a shout out, man. He was nice to tell me that it was on. Like, sometimes the car might think that I'm actually turning and here I am getting into a